A very cheerful morning, happy morning to all my little angels. How are you, my dear students? Fine? Oh, you have done very well in your assessment, isn't it? Oh, I am so happy. Ma'am, it was very easy. Yeah, I came from your message also. Oh, very nice, students. Now my students have become so intelligent and smart, isn't it? Children, let me know you have gone through last chapter, through last video that was based on our earth, isn't it? So have you done the reading also? Yes. Okay, in this video we will be doing worksheet reading. So the topic of the day is our earth worksheet reading. So my dear students, are you ready with your notebook and textbook? I will be telling you answers. We will discuss the answers, and if you want, my dear students, you can tick mark on these 2 pages. It's on page number 56 and 57. Okay, all set? Okay, let's start, students. Lesson 14, Our Earth. Question number 1 is complete the sentences given below. You have to complete the sentences given below. Students, if you want for practice, you can do in the textbook itself. Yes, it's also on page number 57. And the help box is also given to you. Dash is a model of Earth. Yes, tell me, I repeat. Dash is a model of Earth. Yes, it's called globe. Can you see? Yes, globe is a model of Earth. Number 2, we all live on the dash. We all live on the Earth. Land is not even everywhere. Yes, this one. See, land is not even everywhere. Got it? And the 4th one is we should keep air, land and water clean. We should keep air, land and water clean. So this was complete the sentences given below from the chapter Our Earth. Now the question number 2 is answer the following questions. Number 1 is how do we use land? How do we use land? Let's find out, my dear students. Yes. Page number 56, 3rd paragraph. We make houses on the land. We grow food, grains, fruits and vegetables on the land. We drive cars, trains, buses, etc. on the land. So in this way we use land. Okay. Yes, you can see, students. Got it? Okay. Now we move further. Name 2 landforms on the earth. Name 2 landforms on the earth. Yes. You can see the images given in your textbook. Landforms on the earth are as follows. Mountains, very high land is called mountains. Another one is low mountains are called hills. Third one is valley. Low land between 2 hills is called a valley. So these are the landforms. Third one is what is a low land between 2 hills called? Yes, students. I repeat once again, low land between 2 hills is called valley. What is a low land between 2 hills called? It's called valley. 4th one, in how many parts the earth is divided? Which are they? In how many parts the earth is divided? Which are they? Yes. Let's find out. The earth is divided into two parts. They are land and water. Got it? You can write in this way. The earth is divided into two parts. They are land and water. Fifth one, what does brown part shows on the globe? What does brown part shows on the globe? Yes, it's here. The brown part shows land. The brown part on the globe shows land. As I told you, it's divided into two parts, land and water. Okay. Now, something interesting for you students. You have to just see the image and you have to write the name over here. See. What is this? Yes, it's a model of earth that is called globe. So you will be writing over here globe. What is this? Tell me. I told you low mountains, the lowland between two hills is called valley. The lowland between two hills is called valley. See, can you see the name? So, what you will be writing over here? Valley. Globe and valley. And what's this, students? Yes, you very well know. River. Yes, it's the image of a river. Globe, valley and river. You have to just write the name. The place is given in your worksheet. Okay. So this was the worksheet based on chapter 14 Earth. Okay students, followed. If you have any problem, my dear students, you can call me. You are having my number now? Okay. And I hope you will be doing it very nicely. So do take care of yourself. Have a great time. God bless you, bacha.